This is original Avalon miner. Nothing else, just Avalon and miner. This is lucky Bitcoin miner just for you. It's small one. You need to be more lucky. What the beauty? Take a look inside. It's traditional Apple style packaging. Come closer, come. Take a look inside. Yes, look at this beauty. This is something you want to take a look when it's running. Look how sleek and elegant this one is. This is the miner. It's miner itself. In the box we have also Avalon Nano 3. It's not S3, it's just 3. And this is, well, this is slightly underwhelming, but this is original Canaan AC adapter with USB-C. You can plug it over here, and this is European wall plug. Take a look at this. It's lucky miner. If you catch a block, you can have a revenue 3 BTC 3.1. What does this thing do? It will eat about 140 watts. There is reset button, power button, and small LCD screen which shows you some status. Well, I think it's nice to place somewhere, some nice place, and yeah, this is it. Don't forget, this is just for lucky people, lucky girls, lucky guys, everyone. If you are feeling lucky, this is miner for you. Would I buy this thing? Yeah, I would place it somewhere. Just take a look on this, it's nice. You don't need to plug it in, just like to take a look on it.